Hey folks, Marcus going to see. Well, today the kitchen sink drain is leaking. So looks like we're going to do a little plumbing work today. Let me show you what we got going on here. Basically, the right side here is leaking. This thing is loose a little bit. All the plumber's putty's gone out from under it and it's leaking. That one's not leaking. There's what we got to deal with. Looks like fun, don't it? Yeah. The problem is, this one here, this ring up here, is pretty much solid. I tried to get it off the other day. It wouldn't twist off. I was just going to take it off and put some more plumber's putty on it, but looks like we got to go with option B. So anyway, I went down to the locals hardware store here in Hoboken, Georgia, and lo and behold, they had something I'm going to use. Okay, I got these. I got two of them because I figure if I do one, the other one's going to come apart and not work right either. So this one's out of the box there. Get a better look at it. You know. And of course, I got the magical plumber's putty so that we can put the plumber's putty on the thing. Let's take this thing apart. Drain comes out of it, of course. It's got 3 thumb screws. I'm going to loosen those up. This is the drain line cap. Good thing it comes with one of those, because I'm pretty sure the other one needs to be replaced. That's another story. We loosened these up a little bit. My plan anyway. Kind of like that. This part just screws off. Looks pretty good. This thing was made in Taiwan. My other option was made in China. Got the clamping ring, I guess you want to call it. And of course you got the rubber gasket that goes on it. And there is the top part. This is the part that goes down into the sink. Alright, there's the view. This part here, I couldn't get it to budge the other day. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to take this saw here and I'm going to cut the sucker, since I'm going to replace the whole thing anyway. Alright, and then like I said, we're going to go ahead and do the other one just because we're under here. Alright, I had these off the other day, so they shouldn't be that bad. This one shouldn't anyway. Kind of gnarly looking there. Let's go ahead and while we're in it, take this other piece off. Come on. You're kidding me. No, you're not kidding me. Life on the farm, folks. There we go. Not friendlies. Let's do some persuading here. See if we can get this off. There you go. Yeah. I don't know if you can see, but it's corroded off right here. So that ring would have needed to be replaced anyway. there's a nasty. And there we go. First one's out. Like I said, yeah, you can see all the plumber's putty is pretty much gone. There we go. That opened it up. Now that should come right off of there. There we go. Can't do this without making a mess. That's normal. Oh yeah, that one's okay. It needed to be off of there though. There we go. Number 2 out. We have to clean out the inside of the sinks here. Make sure this is good and clean so we can put another layer of plumber's putty down there. Okay? Okay. I rolled the plumber's putty out and got it around the part that makes contact with the sink. Let's go ahead and sit these in here. We're just going to sit them in there for now. And we got to go underneath and we will start to assemble. Then we'll come back and make sure that we've got these in the center once I get all the little pieces put on it. I'll put the rubber ring back on it that goes on it. This clamp piece here goes on it. And you'll see there's a dimple right there. That's where the locking screws will go once we get the locking screws on it. So we're just going to basically just stick it together right now. And then we'll come back and tighten it up. And you got, of course, the holding clamp part. Just get it there so that it kind of holds everybody in place. Okay? Let's do the other one, same way. I said, there we go. Just enough to hold it in place for right now. All right, let's test fit this. And lo and behold, we are going to be okay. All right, so let's finish this test fit. We'll make it go. All right, let's get these on here somewhat. Make sure they come with metal ones. And I'm wondering if I'm going to have to use them. Although, right there, we have bottomed out there, and we have bottomed out there. All right, so that part worked. This is life on the farm, folks. Whatever simple project you have will not be simple. You're going to run into difficulty. Okay. Let's see if this will line up and hook up. We want to put minimum pressure on this when we get it to line up here. I'm not going to tighten these all the way. Guess we better. Oh well. There we go. Okay. We got it. That part together. Alright, near as I can tell, we've got those centered up. So let's go back down here and let's tighten this conglomeration up. That up there tight, that is. And let's pull our thumbs up. Let's tighten that. Okay, got it. So that the putty is pulling out a little bit. That's basically what you want. You don't want to over tighten it. Okay, see a little bit of putty. Don't want to over tighten that. Just want a little bit coming out. So now let's do this other side. Bring that up. Let's level up our thing some. Let that set. Let's go ahead and tighten this up. Okay. Well, it's the moment of truth, folks. Will it leak or will we be good? Move our tools out of the way. Let's run some water. See if we leak. I think we got it, folks. I think we got it. We're done. Okay. Thanks for enjoying this little video. You know, like I said, my simple projects are never simple. There's always something that needs to be replaced. Anyway, Marcus is going to see. Y'all have fun. Bye-bye.